Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Aaron here, and today we are reviewing a diesel class 55 Deltic pulling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trucks with a brake van. This model is highly detailed because if you look at the nameplate, I don't know if you can make it out, but I'll read it to you. What it says is, "The Kings we own Yorkshire Light Infinity." That's a bit of a curious read, isn't it? This will be going along the express line, pulling a freight train, and I can't get it back on. Yes, I can. Right. Hopefully, if we've got time, it will pull up along the hill. If not, it won't. So please enjoy the video, guys, and hit that like button, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and just enjoy the video. So about that, just changing the points, and no, I didn't put them back on properly, but here you go, full speed. Now, this is a slightly slower model, but you've got to admit, the Deltic is a pretty awesome diesel. You can't beat a bit of Deltic once in a while. Oh, wait. Work with the tight curve? Yes, it will. Hand of God. Let's have a hill shot. Oh yeah. Up the hill, and there she goes. That was the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Remember, smash that like button, hit subscribe. Let's reach 30 likes for the camera train, which will give us a nice track view. And peace out. Boop.